Hello friends, welcome back to the last part of chapter 2, class 6 geography, globe latitudes and longitudes. In last two parts we have discussed about latitudes, longitudes, international dateline and Indian standard time. And we also learned about how to calculate time zone through Greenwich meridian. So in this video we have some examples that how we calculate time zone. So as I told you, in 15 degree we have the difference of 1 hour. So if we take the example, let's take one example. At Greenwich meridian we have 0 degree Celsius or 12 noon, 12 o'clock. In 15 degree, 0 to 15 degree we have 1 hour. So means 12 plus 1, it's 1 p.m. to the east of Greenwich meridian, in which we have addition of the time, and to the west we have subtraction of the time. So in 15 degree we have 1 hour difference. So addition to the 12 p.m. to the east of the Greenwich meridian, we at 15 degree we have 1 p.m. Similarly at 30 degree we have 2 p.m. Again at 45 degree, addition of 1 more hour, 3 p.m. At 60 degree 4 p.m. At 75 degree 5 p.m. and at 90 degree it's 6 p.m. So we have the addition to the east of the Greenwich meridian. This is how we calculate the time to the east of the Greenwich meridian. And the difference between the two time zone we have easily calculated. Let's suppose we have from 0 degree to 90 degree, it's 9 p.m. And if we want to calculate the difference between two time zones, let's take example of 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. It is simply 6 minus 2 equal to 4. So from 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. we have the addition of 4 hours. Let's take another example to the west of the Greenwich meridian. As we know, to the west of the Greenwich meridian we have the subtraction of time or behind of the time. Here we have at 0 degree 12 noon. So at the 15 degree the difference of 1 hour, so the subtraction from the 12 noon is 11 p.m. Another at 45 degree 2 hour gap, so we will have 10 p.m. at 45 degree, sorry at 30 degree. At 30 degree we have the difference of time zone is 10 p.m. At 45 degree 3 hour difference, it will be 9 p.m. Similarly we can calculate the difference of the time zone to the west, which means the subtraction, and to the east the addition. Here is the example in the simple way. At 0 degree we have, suppose at 0 degree we have 6 a.m. So we have the subtraction to the west side. Then we have 5 a.m., 4 a.m., 3 a.m., 2 a.m. and at 75 degree 1 a.m. At 90 degree we get the 12 night, which is midnight. It means we have the another day. We will get the another day. Suppose if we have Sunday here, by the difference of the time zone 6 a.m. to 12 a.m. so we have the day which is less than 1, means here side we will have Saturday. I hope you get this. How we calculate the time zone to the east of Greenwich Meridian and to the west of Greenwich Meridian. Similarly, here side, if we have 6 a.m. at the 0 degree, here will be the addition of the time, and to the east of the Greenwich Meridian we will get the addition of day, addition of 1 day, and to the west of the Greenwich Meridian we will get the subtraction of the 1 day, subtraction of 1 day. So class, we have completed the second chapter of class 6th geography. We will back with the third chapter of class 6 geography NCERT. Thank you.